Tired of the back and forth of scheduling meetings through DMIS? Let's get Calendly linked to your Instagram so booking with you is a breeze. First, open your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to connect Calendly to. Navigate to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap on the Edit Profile button, usually located near the top of the screen. On the Edit Profile screen, look for the Links option. It might say Add Link depending on whether you already have links in your profile. Tap on Links. Next, tap Add External Link. This is where you'll paste your Calendly link. Now, head over to your Calendly account and copy your personal scheduling link. Make sure you copy the entire link. Return to Instagram and paste the Calendly link into the URL field. Then, type in a title. Make it clear and engaging, like book a meeting or schedule a call. This is what your followers will see. Tap the check mark in the top right corner to save the link. Head back to your profile to see your Calendly link live in your bio now. Your followers can easily schedule time with you with just a tap. Test the link to make sure it works correctly, and you're all set. Make booking easier for your audience with Calendly on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.